Every day, our environment is undergoing changes. Changes that impact and affect our world. Global warming, climate change, environmental pollution and degradation, desert encroachment and flooding are daily destroying our world and making it unsafe for habitation. How do we cope with these changes? How do we improve the quality of life through our environment? These and many more environment issues will occupy us weekly on Environment Today.
It's imperative that people comply with laid-down environmental laws if we must enjoy the benefits of a clean and healthy environment. But there are certain habits which are outrightly unfriendly to the environment.
Join Nkoli Omodu every Saturday on Africa Independent Television AIT as we take an incisive and in-depth look at our environment. Environment Today, creating a better and safe environment for the world.
Experts have expressed concern over the challenges posed by certain products when their lifespan expire and want total commitment on the part of product manufacturers towards the implementation of the Extended Producer Responsibility Program with a view to safeguarding the environment. The experts made the call at a stakeholders workshop in Lagos put together by the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, in conjunction with the Federal Ministry of Environment.
Right from the product design, if taking into consideration the lifespan of the product and the recyclability of the materials used in making this product, I think we can have a reduction. But the most important thing now is also the management, because the world will continue to use mobile phones, will continue to use computers and other electrical gadgets. Even your camera is an electronic gadget. So how do we manage these electronics when they become waste? We are very particular about that. Also knowing that these gadgets also have some hazardous substances in them. If not well disposed, will be let into the environment. I gave an example of the effects of lead with an example of what has happened in Nigeria. Those are the things we need to guard against. And also, there is wealth in it if it is properly managed. There is wealth in e-waste.
Of environment, charged with that responsibility, has been alive to its responsibilities. It has ratified a number of international instruments, conventions, protocols, and treaties, that have to do with chemicals and hazardous waste management. And, ratification of such instruments is a step forward. And after the ratification, what needs to be done is to domesticate, to make such international instruments, locally applicable. So some of them have been domesticated, while some are still in the process of being domesticated.
Extended Producer Responsibility Program, EPR, is a concept to promote total life cycle environmental improvement of products, including their packaging, by extending the responsibilities of recovery and final disposal to the manufacturers.
Every manufacturer has a responsibility of taking care of the product it has produced beyond that point of selling it, following it to the end of life of that product. So it means from all the life cycle of the production. Take, for example, you buy electronics, your computer. It necessitates in the implementation of this program that manufacturer also has some responsibility to make sure that at the end of the life cycle of this product, the way it is disposed of, the manufacturer has some hand in it in terms of making sure that it's environmentally and safely disposed of.
The federal government, through its agency, the National Environmental Standards and Regulations Enforcement Agency, NESRIA, has made the implementation of EPR program a strong component of the promulgated National Environmental Regulations on Food, Beverages, and Electrical and Electronics Waste Control, among others.